But the reality is, it's not really that those assets are going up in price. What's really happening is that the dollar's going down because we're making more of them. So it now takes more of them to buy the same thing. And when the new money floods the system, all that extra liquidity, as it's called, has to find a home. It has to find a place to go so that it doesn't become worth less. So it gets put into things like real estate, stocks, gold, Bitcoin, which is also why over the long run, those assets look like they go up forever. In reality, they're just holding their purchasing power while the money that's underneath all of that gets weaker and weaker. So then the question is, what if you can expand this superpower, right? You could widen the same trick beyond the US borders. That's where stablecoins come in. Okay, but hold on. If the US can already devalue its debt with regular inflation, what does it matter if it can do the same with stablecoins, right? This is why Russia's advisor thinks the US will actually do this. The answer comes down to distribution and control. You see, when the US inflates the dollar, the economy starts to feel the pain right away. We all see the higher grocery bills, right? The more expensive house prices, the energy costs going up, potentially higher interest rates to cool it down. Those CPI and consumer price index reports go up, and then people get upset, right? But stablecoins, they change that equation. Because stablecoins park reserves in short-term US treasuries, so the demand for dollars in treasuries can actually go up as adoption grows, making the whole thing kind of self-reinforcing. Every time someone uses USDT or USDC throughout the rest of the world, they're basically holding a digital IOU backed by US treasuries. That means they are indirectly helping fund America's debt without actually buying US treasuries, right? So if the US devalues its debt through inflation, the burden doesn't just hit American citizens. It gets exported worldwide through the stablecoin system. So inflation then becomes kind of a shared tax that stablecoin holders everywhere are forced to pay because their digital dollars also lose purchasing